Hello everybody, Benedetti here, Simply Be Art, Cape Town. Thank you for joining me again. I'm working on a 20 centimeter hexagonal canvas. It's a Dala canvas, and I purchased my canvases at a family store in Lansdowne, Cape Town called Osmond's. I will be doing a shopping haul video for you soon so that you can see everything that you can get at Osmond's, and I'm hoping to bring you a discount code. So look out for that one. My video today is a ring pour. I'm going to be using a split cup for that. I've got 4 colors mixed up. My colors are also Dala paints. The Dala Acrylic Ultramarine Blue as well as the orange. And then I've mixed up some black and white. So those are the 4 colors that are going to go into my ring pour in my split cup. My pouring medium today is also Dala's Craft Glue. So I've mixed up my paint into the ratio for a ring pour or a straight pour. So it's much thicker to what I'm used to using for a Dutch pour. Remember that consistency is key. Different techniques use different consistencies in your paint. So when you mix them up, be mindful of that. So you would not use a thicker consistency for your Dutch pour because your paint just won't move on your canvas. All right, let me get my canvas prepped, and I'm going to tape the back. I'm going to put in my push pins, and then I'll bring you back. Alright, so I've taped the back of my canvas. I've got some masking tape for that, and I've made sure that my canvas is level. So I'm going to be using a split cup. It's a 4 compartment split cup, and it takes about 300 ml of paint. My colors, as I've mentioned, is orange. They're all mixed to the same consistency. That's the orange. Then I have the black. They're all Dala's acrylic paints. This is the ultramarine blue, and I'm going to be using the white as well. There's just pouring medium in my paints, no added water. I've mixed up 60 grams of paint to 90 grams of pouring medium. So let me fill my split cup. I'm going to go with the blue on the end. I'll probably fill it a few times. Then I'm going with the orange on the other end. Let's add some more blue. There we go. I'm going to put the black next to the blue. And the white right there. Okay. I've also mixed up a flow extender. This is the same black acrylic, but I've added extra water to bring it to a very, very thin runny consistency, and this I'm going to use on the edge and around my rings just to aid in the flow of when I stretch and tilt. So I want to do 3 rings. I'm going to start at this edge, then I want to do 1 there and 1 there. So we'll go that way. So let's do this one first. Let me torch that. I'm going to just pull this. Okay. Let's stretch and tilt. I like that. I'm very happy with that. You get my gloves off. I'm going to torch it again. I love the result of this ring pour. Let me bring you down for a closer look. So this was a very interesting experiment using Dala's craft glue and Dala's acrylic paints. I'm still going to play around quite a bit with the ring pour. I really love the technique. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Take care everyone, stay well, and bye for now.